The motto is Healthy Kids, Healthy Community here in Rancho Cucamonga, and plans to maintain that are steadily underway here at the Goldie S. Lewis Community Center.
It was a meeting of the minds of Rancho City leaders, local residents, and organizations who came together for the 2013 first quarterly Healthy RC Kids Steering Committee meeting.
Through our steering committee, we've been able to accomplish a lot of things regarding healthy eating, active living. The steering committee has been very influential in passing policies related to community gardens, farmers markets, complete streets, and nutrition standards. We're going to continue implementing those programs in 2013, but look forward to new initiatives that we're going to be undertaking.
So far, the city of Rancho Cucamonga has been successful in their healthy initiatives, and part of it can be credited to their strategy of making sure everyone in the community is involved, including the youth.
Involving the youth are very important because they're our future leaders of Rancho Cucamonga. They're the future stakeholders of the city. And so having the youth provide that feedback as what's important to youth and what's important to their world provides a great leveraging opportunity to understand the youth culture and the youth climate. So including their viewpoints is very crucial in making the decisions that we do in the future.
Involving the youth is part of the city's Healthy RC Kids program, which invites kids to take active roles in their community.
Last year, for example, youth played an active role in our nutrition standards campaign. They conducted surveys, they did assessments, they even spoke at the city council meeting in support of that policy. So involving them at their level helps to get that youth viewpoint and helps to leverage the youth voice.
Despite the many successes that the city has celebrated so far, Rancho Cucamonga recognizes that there is still always room for improvement.
A couple of years ago, we didn't even have farmers markets in the city the size of this, and that was a shock to most of us. And so by rezoning that, we've made it more available for new farmers market managers to come to our city and open up new farmers markets. And so we have two currently, but they kind of serve the center and the east side of town, and we actually could use another farmers market on the west side of town.
There's an area of the city known as Southwest Cucamonga. That's an area of the city that looks a little different from one part of the city to the other. They have a little bit less opportunities for physical activity, less opportunities for healthy eating, and so a lot of our efforts are focused on that part of city.
Lack of access to proper nutrition and healthy eating has led to other problems within the city as well.
Well, obesity and heart disease are caused by a lot of different factors regarding healthy eating and active living. You know, being educated is just the first step, but also changing your environments is another thing. I think we're still not there yet into being able to establish healthy eating as the norm. Right now, healthy eating is not the norm. Active living is not the norm.
One of the many community partners working to help make healthy eating and active living the norm is San Antonio Community Hospital.
As part of our San Antonio Community Hospital benefit program, we have something called HELP, which is Healthy Eating Lifestyle Program, and this is really geared towards the parent and child because we know that here in San Bernardino County that we have a high rate of obesity within parents and the child. So what this program aims to do that we have at the hospital is to reduce childhood obesity by providing the education needed for the parent and child so that when they go back into their homes that they can translate that into the way they cook, the way they live, and that way it'll continue to impact the family unit as a whole.
But the city has just begun their fight against such issues, and the steering committee is working hard to ensure that proper policies are in place for 2013. Bringing you the best of Rancho Cucamonga, I'm Conchetta DeLuca with Healthy RC Living.